welcome back to everyone. Today we are finally facing on one of the biggest monsters we have seen last love. Look at the size and this against the be right that has appears right into the middle of the city. And everything is about its change. Craig Gamers. Like, share and subscribe my channel. The ground is shaking. We every stop its attacks, building aircraft and cars and flying together are air and people running for their life. This just is another enemies. This is the ultimate boss. It's the first monster to seen attack and simply stand there spring at us almost if the waiting for some brave energy and challenges it. We move clear every carefully one wrong move cloud and the mission is still the monster steadily. Without warning, it launched the first attack. Marvel and Clavent swinging together in years, image and everything near the we brave in space in the in time. Now it's our turn off the fight back every weapon we have the unlashed part is the monster brave and take any damages the battle is going to be the most dangerous and the most terrific monkeys. My level is of 3x. We refuse to give the step by step of we doing every attack and keep searching for the monster weaker point flying and discover the glowing area on it. The cast is the key in every powerful hit bring us closer to victor. The final battle brings the monster change to use with the incredible speed. These are out the last chance. We launch the Strorigus attack and after one marvelous explorer the against monster feel the ground. The city final save but everyone now is now going to win the battle. The every story is monster be my appearance to future. If you enjoy any space boss fight, do not forget to like your video, subscribe the channel and last time now my watch Craig Gamers. How soon is the monster gnostic use the last out of Marvel's through road and street and bring the shake and every step it's thought feel and like the attitudes on one. It's from the best cloud and game instantly or monkey now is staying strong and energy you're running away stand and option today victory will depend on the speed timing and smart decision. The boss attack. The monster surviving the against first throw USA with the dog is that every last score that is the ability close one mistake and the battle would already be over. We start the throwing punch and especially attack but the boss really lose any heart it like thinking and against well search. We keep moving around and the bananas eating and my level up to up down and up to and up down 4x bananas and my level up here 75 now eating the banana more and the fight a battle of boss. We keep moving around the monster abused attack the steadily we are notice something strange. The boss becomes slow after the every heavy punch that is not close. And we attack this start and attack the against slowly the monster being all lose or control. The against monster the furious you know it's the easy glow and bright and the attack become every fast gear fly and building and crashing and the eating the bananas and the running into the battlefield or monkey rescues and quit and every dog is digging. Use now step closer in victory. The boss is almost dependent but he hits the more powerful and more attacking punch. And the jump into the air and crashing down with the unbelievable force. Free space without only anything and most and the health and left this is our final opportunity. We chance the forward with everything. We are plotted on final combo, one of the last punch. The great monster filled the ground and against all of the level of 38 monkeys and monkeys the really battle of the against compound in boss level 102 and monkeys the monster have seen anything monkey challenging monster their thing story then still well today you are about witnessing impossible. Our heroes is only level 38 with the level enemies the standing on to front of him is a most terrible level M21. No monster is most player would you like run away about you or not USA. The monster attack the first step and into the city snack and shaking but hitting bananas and drilling. The secret garden was the side of an event that kills building and send ready to the collapse. The monster attack the first step and fighter. All monkeys take climb every 2 seconds and meters now. The boss attack with the mortars and punch or the dog is favorite possible monster. That was is not close one direct hit. What do you think and identify? We launch quickly combo on one patch. Two punch their punch. But with the boss really lows and help. This is still going to NEC fight. After defending enemies or the monkey has finally but journey from our single one level 7 now but not use. We keep running collecting every banana so we come to the final level 45 and level 40 and 85 level. Increase your string. The boss watching from you stop and the pride. It's war waiting for the perfect monster attack. One hard and racing, one wrong move and everything we have wanted from the shall be lost. We are almost there, the final battle, it's about wings. When you are level 13. Monkey defect are level monster 21. Stay unit and because the fight is about the great absolutely is that is the final battle. Standing in front of you is the legendary level 49 gorilla or monkeys level only 99 that abuse the complete against use the period and reach forward with the unbelievable power shaking the entry city with every punch beat dog is in the just in time streak and back with the everything we reported. Now once a punch another combo but crosses barely and feels damage. The battle becomes more interesting in every second. Health is dropped first but keep up the not option. We keep attacking looking for the perfect opening. Steadily cross. Weak mistake. There is not chance. We unleashes our stories combo. Marvelous and punch powerful kicks and non-stop final attack cross being to lost balance and balance. The great gorilla is last of out of final round and crashes the ground. many spider monkeys